Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I will show you how to apply some basic UI customization to Maya 2020 for hard surface modeling. The first thing to do is to go to the top left here and make sure you have modeling selected in this little rollout. Your second action is to go to the top right here and replace Maya Classic by Modeling Standard. Now that you've done this, your main menu here will be made out of the various modeling tools that you can use. On the right side, you will have access to your modeling toolkit. You will have the attribute editor that we'll talk about in future videos. And your main shelf here will contain three important elements for your modeling. The first one is curves and surfaces. This is made to help you model using splines or curves. The second one is poly modeling. This is how we do polygon modeling. And your third shelf is about sculpting, which help you modify your mesh at the sculpting level. Thank you.